What is a shot? In filmmaking and video production, a shot is a series of frames that runs for an uninterrupted period of time.
Beauty, romance, love. These are what we stay alive for.
Establishing shot. The establishing shot is a very wide shot used at the start of the sequence. It's used to introduce the context in which the action takes place. Long shots. Long shots, also commonly called wide shots, show the subject from a distance, emphasizing place and location, while close shots reveal details of the subject and highlight emotions of a character. Medium shot. A medium shot, also referred to as MS or waist shot, is captured at a medium distance from the subject. It is used for dialogue scenes but also depict body language and more of a setting. The medium close-up shot frames the subject from the chest up. It is generally used to capture enough detail on the subject's face while still keeping them within their surroundings. During conversations, medium close-up shots are used to keep some distance between the characters. A close-up shot tightly frames the subject's face in order to focus on their emotions. These types of shots are great to connect with the audience as there are no elements distracting them from the subject's gestures and reactions. In an extreme close-up shot, a detail of the subject fills the whole frame. It is used to emphasize certain features or actions. The most common use of this shot will capture a character's eyes, mouth or fingers performing a critical action. two shot includes two subjects in the frame. They don't necessarily have to be next to each other, nor given equal treatment. In many examples of a two shot, one subject is placed in the foreground and the other in the background. Bird's eye view in the name given to the type of shot taken from the elevated point. As its own name indicates, it offers a perspective similar to that which birds see while flying. This camera angle is used to magnify the scale and movement. High angle. A high angle shot is taken pointing the camera down on the subject. As a result, the subject is perceived as vulnerable and powerless. In this type of shot, the camera angle can be anywhere from directly above the subject to just above the subject's line of sight. Low angle. A low angle shot is taken from the below the subject's eye line pointing upwards. This camera angle makes a subject look powerful and imposing. This angle can create a visual distortion in types of shots closer to the subject, as it's not a common point of view. Eye level shot. The eye level shot is considered the most natural camera angle. Capturing the shot at eye level offers a neutral perception of the subject because it is the way in which we usually see people. This camera angle can help the audience connect with the subject. The worm's eye view camera angle looks at an object or subject from below. It is commonly used to capture tall elements in the scene, such as trees or skyscrapers, and put them in perspective. This type of camera shot is mostly taken from a subject's point of view. Versus shot. An over the shoulder framing captures the subject from behind another character. Typically, the shot will include the second character's shoulder and part of their head. This camera angle is primarily used during conversation as it maintains both characters in scene while focusing on one at a time. Point of view shot. A point of view shot shows what the character is looking at. It is used to highlight specific details or actions, such as being threatened or seeing their reflection in the mirror. This type of shot allows the audience to put themselves in the shoes of the subject. As a result, it strengthens their connection with the subject and scene. Panning. Panning is the action of moving the camera horizontally on a fixed axis. During a pan shot, the camera turns from side to side without changing its position. This type of camera shot is commonly used to follow an action or to allow viewers to get a sense of location in the sequence. Tilting. Tilting is a type of shot in films in which the camera is moved vertically on a fixed base. It is normally used to reveal the identity of new characters or relate an action with its performer. In some cases, tilt shots are used to offer a general view of a space surrounding a character. Dolly shot. On a dolly shot, the camera is attached to a wheel device and smoothly moves back and forth. The device itself is known as camera dolly. Dolly shots usually follow a subject as they move around the scene, generally in front of or behind them. Truck shots are those in which the camera is attached to a device that moves smoothly along a horizontal track. These shots are most commonly used to follow an action or walk the audience around a scene because the camera itself is moving. The result allows viewers to feel as if they are also moving across the scene. A pedestal shot involves moving the camera vertically on a fixed location. With these movements, the eye level of the audience is changed while maintaining a same vision angle because the camera is not static on its axis. New details are slowly revealed to the viewers as the entire frame focus changes. Roll camera movement, the camera is rotated on its vertical axis. During these type of shots, the camera is pointed at the same subject. As a result, the footage is gyrated up to 180 degree. This movement is commonly used in action scenes or to capture a feeling of sickness and dizziness.